Hello and welcome to the first in a new series of video tutorials for Paramics Discovery 21. My name is Malcolm, and in this first tutorial we're going to be looking at how we export data from Paramics Discovery to Google Earth. So I've got a model here. This is a model of Stirling in Scotland, which we developed recently, and I'm in the Analyze tab. So we've run this model, we've collected results, and I'm now adding a data plot. And the data plot I want to add is link counts, so I'm going to type that in there. And it just so happens that that's the default table which comes up. So I can see the link counts displayed on the network. I'm going to change the colors to make it look a little bit better. And in the bottom left corner, you can see the link counts that we're displaying are from 7 to 8. Now, if I go into the main window and right click, I've got a new option there, which is View as 3D Map. And what we can do now is export those link counts to Google Earth. So the format of the export is a .kmz file, which is the format that Google Earth reads, but you could read it in another product if you wish. But what's clever is that it's automatically zooming in on the location of the model in Google Earth. And we can see the link counts there displayed in 3 dimensions. So if I just lower the view, you can see the different heights of the bars are representing the different levels of link flow on different roads in the network. So you get a really good sense of where the larger flows and where the smaller flows are. On the left-hand side, then you can also turn things on and off, links, link labels, zone labels, and we can zoom into a specific link. So if I double-click on this link 18.1, it zooms in, and I can look at that link in more detail. Okay, let's take another example. So back in my Paramics Discovery model, I'm going to add another data plot, and this data plot will look at turn counts. So I'll type that in there. I will go to my turn counts table. So it's looking up the turn counts from my database that I've collected. And again, I'm just going to change the colors to make it stand out a little bit better once we export it. But I'm going to keep everything else as default. So when we're exporting files like this, we can export the numbers from the data plot or the graphics as well. So we can see here that we've got our turn counts at a particular junction. I'll just turn the link counts off so we can see that more clearly. So again, same process, right click and view as 3D map. And when we do that right click, it's exporting whatever we've got turned on in the data plot. So it's only going to export the turn counts. Now it's going back to the instance of Google Earth that we have open. I'll turn the link counts off just so we can see the turn counts more clearly, and open up the new file and turn on my turn count labels. And I can see the numbers there at the specific junction that I'm looking at. So you might also have noticed that by zooming into the junction in Paramics Discovery, it automatically zoomed into the junction in Google Earth, which is really helpful. And as I zoom out a little bit, we can see that there's various different turn counts at all the different junctions, and so it's exported all of those. So hopefully that gives you a flavour of this new feature coming in Paramics Discovery 21 this November. And in the next video tutorial, we'll build on this and show you a little bit more data export to Google Earth. So hopefully see you then.